Alright guys, I'll show you this stand. I've used this for 2 years now. No problems. This fits 3 guitars or basses. It's the AW stand. I will link this one in the description, as well as other sizes that fit more instruments. It's easy to put together. I'm not going to show you that. Yeah, it's not hard to put together. Let me get you up close. I will do the dimensions because that was a big thing for me. I was in like a tight bedroom and I was concerned about the size and fitting it in one specific place. So the widest part, 20 inches. Give yourself at least 20 inches. The depth, you want to give yourself for the actual stand at least 16 inches, but the guitars will lean back, so give yourself another few inches. If you have the feet up against the wall, the headstock will touch the wall. You have to bring this off the wall a little bit. And then the height is, give yourself at least 26 inches. So here's a close-up. The feet, you've got some foam for the bottom rectangle, and you've got that same foam up top where the necks sit, and of course it folds down. It's all tube metal, probably aluminum, so it does the job. It's light. Highly recommend. And again, they make larger sizes, so if you think you're gonna have more guitars in the future, just get the 5 or the 7. So let me back up here. All right, so here I've got 3 on it. I've got an acoustic, a bass, and an electric. Fit perfect. The guitar necks and headstocks go past the top of the stand. That's why you can't have them all the way up against the wall. So they go past like a good 4 or 5 inches. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, so I hope that helps.
At the time of this recording, this one that fits 3 is like $40, free shipping.
Check these out in the description. I love it.
I've had it 2 years.
Goodbye.